Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
She eats an apple every day.
She eats an apple every day.
I run every morning.
I run every morning.
The kids jump on a trampoline.
The kids jump on a trampoline.
He drinks water after jogging.
He drinks water after jogging.
She reads a book before bed.
She reads a book before bed.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
The child draws a house.
The child draws a house.
Mom cooks delicious food.
Mom cooks delicious food.
I clean my room on weekends.
I clean my room on weekends.
Please open the door.
Please open the door.
He speaks English well.
He speaks English well.
Close the window, please.
Close the window, please.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
They walk to school every day.
They walk to school every day.
I sleep at 10 p.m.
I sleep at p.m.
My father drives to work.
My father drives to work.
We swim in the lake.
We swim in the lake.
She loves to dance.
She loves to dance.
He sings beautifully.
He sings beautifully.
We laugh at funny jokes.
We laugh at funny jokes.
The baby cries at night.
The baby cries at night.
I watch cartoons on TV.
I watch cartoons on TV.
The children play football.
The children play football.
She paints on canvas.
She paints on canvas.
They build sandcastles.
They build sandcastles.
I buy vegetables from the market.
I buy vegetables from the market.
They sell clothes online.
They sell clothes online.
He drives very fast.
He drives very fast.
Catch the ball.
Catch the ball.
She throws the ball far.
She throws the ball far.
Pull the rope hard.
Pull the rope hard.
Push the box to the wall.
Push the box to the wall.
They climbed the tree easily.
They climbed the tree easily.
I cut paper with scissors.
I cut paper with scissors.
Be careful, you might fall.
Be careful, you might fall.
Stand in a line.
Stand in a line.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Brush your teeth daily.
Brush your teeth daily.
She combs her hair.
She combs her hair.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
This flower smells nice.
This flower smells nice.
Taste this new dish.
Taste this new dish.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
He kicks the ball hard.
He kicks the ball hard.
Can you fix my toy?
Can you fix my toy?
Shake the bottle before use.
Shake the bottle before use.
Don't break the glass.
Don't break the glass.
They hug each other.
They hugged each other.
She waved at me.
She waved at me.
The baby kissed her mom.
The baby kissed her mom.
Don't yell at others.
Don't yell at others.
He whispered in her ear.
He whispered in her ear.
They argue a lot.
They argue a lot.
The fans cheer for their team.
The fans cheer for their team.
We celebrate birthdays.
We celebrate birthdays.
He complains too much.
He complains too much.
I decide what to wear.
I decide what to wear.
Choose your favorite color.
Choose your favorite color.
I learn new words every day.
I learn new words every day.
She teaches English.
She teaches English.
They study hard for exams.
They study hard for exams.
Don't forget your homework.
Don't forget your homework.
I remember your name.
I remember your name.
Please answer the phone.
Please answer the phone.
Ask the teacher a question.
Ask the teacher a question.
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
I lent him my book.
I lent him my book.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
We invited our friends.
We invited our friends.
I visit my grandparents on Sundays.
I visit my grandparents on Sundays.
They travel every summer.
They travel every summer.
We arrived early.
We arrived early.
She left the house at 8.
She left the house at 8.
Let's start the game.
Let's start the game.
Finish your lunch.
Finish your lunch.
Our team won the match.
Our team won the match.
Don't lose your key.
Don't lose your key.
Plants grow in sunlight.
Plants grow in sunlight.
They dig in the garden.
They dig in the garden.
We plant flowers.
We plant flowers.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
Chop the onions carefully.
Chop the onions carefully.
She bakes cakes on weekends.
She bakes cakes on weekends.
Fry the eggs.
Fry the eggs.
Boil some water.
Boil some water.
Measure the ingredients.
Measure the ingredients.
I type fast on the computer.
I type fast on the computer.
He earns a good salary.
He earns a good salary.
Print the document.
Print the document.
He draws cartoons.
He draws cartoons.
She designs dresses.
She designs dresses.
I repaired my bike.
I repaired my bike.
I posted a letter.
I posted a letter.
He delivers the newspaper.
He delivers the newspaper.
Please serve the food.
Please serve the food.
Mix the flour and eggs.
Mix the flour and eggs.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.